Topps Chrome Update Sapphire. Alrighty, well, let's get started with our 2021 Bowman Mega Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 3. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Lawrence in the top 3 spots, and we've got Lawrence in the bottom spot. What a coincidence. So we'll just cut and paste this list by our alphabetical player list. Of course, our last 4 spots in the break are designated for the Bowman pack. So let's scroll down and see who got those just for fun. Pack 1 goes to Ryan. Andrew gets packs 2 and 3, and then Lawrence will get pack 4. So congrats on those. So just cut and paste this list over to the right, sort it by everybody's names. We'll go through our list so everybody can see who they have. And then we'll tear open our box and see what we get. Space this out a little bit. Edits. If you'll scroll back up in the chat, I think I've got links in the chat for all of the breaks that have spots left. But thanks for asking. If you'll scroll up in the chat, or you can go to the video description and go to our website, and we've got all of them posted there as well. If you go to the blog section in our website, you'll see tonight's schedule, and there's hyperlinks for all the breaks that we've got spots left in. Once I get done with this break, I'll repost those links in the chat. Because I know we've got several spots left in our Premier League Prism Soccer. We've got a handful left in our Hoops Premium Stock Basketball, and then we've got quite a few left in our Topps Chrome Update Sapphire. Alrighty, now that we have went through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. So here are our Mojo packs. These are our 4 base Bowman packs that will go out and open to the bottom 4 spots in the break. All right, pack number 1. And our first card is Reed Detmers. And then our second card is Riley Green. And then our third card in our first Mojo pack is a Garrett Mitchell Futurist insert. And our next card is Christian Robinson. And then our last card is Grayson Rodriguez. Alrighty, Mojo pack number 2. Little torque, not too shabby there. Jackson Rutledge. Brett Beatty. Then we have Rookie of the Year favorite Christian Patchy. And then Robert Hassell. And then our last card is Torque. Spencer Torkelson. Very nice. Alrighty. Now that we have opened both of our Mojo packs, let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. We'll start with our inserts first. First, our Garrett Mitchell Futurist. I guess it would help if I brought the list up. There we go. Sorry about that. So our first cards are Futurist Garrett Mitchell insert. And that goes to Andrew. Congrats on that, Andrew. And then our second insert is Christian Pache Rookie of the Year favorite. And that goes to Lori. Congrats on that. And then next are our Mojo base cards. First is Reed Detmers. And that goes to Andrew. Doubling up, congrats on that. And the next is Riley Green. And that goes to David. Congrats on that. And the next is Christian Robinson. And that goes to Ryan. Congrats on that, Ryan. And then next is Grayson Rodriguez. And that goes to Lori. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is Jackson Rutledge. And that goes to Andrew with the triple. Congrats on that. And then next is Brett Beatty. And that goes to Lawrence. Congrats on that. And then next is Robert Hassell. And that goes to Craig. Congrats on that, Craig. And then lastly is our Spencer Torkelson. And that goes to Ryan. Doubling up. Congrats on that. Alrighty. Alrighty, well that wraps up our 2021 Bowman Baseball Random Player 1 Mega Box Break number 3. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us on the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 2021 Prism Premier League Soccer Random Player One Cereal Box Break, number 1. Thanks again, everybody.